Welcome back to another crypto video. That's right, ladies and gents, welcome back to another video. Today we can look at STORJ. This is a completely new project on this channel, but it's definitely one not to forget about. So let's have a little look at some of the price action today. This is the charts. They look pretty juicy, but first things first, we're just going to look at the market overall. We can see Bitcoin is holding at $39.9k at the moment, and most of our infrastructure tokens are flicking green, which is usually a good thing. They usually bounce back harder than most of the other types of projects. So yeah, it looks really good. If you're new here as well, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, so you don't miss out on juicy gains and critical news in the market. So let's have a look at STORJ. We can see STORJ here. The top 100 holders, the wallet addresses right here, which is very interesting to see. So they've got a lot of transparency. The total supply is 424 million right there, as we can see, with 82,000 unique holders. So it's quite interesting to see right there. Some of the top addresses literally have 7% in them, which is kind of insane. And I think looking at this here, we can see that this particular wallet holder has got 12.9% just himself. And I wonder what these are. We can't actually click into them. Rank 316, trading at just $1 generous. And we can see the market cap is really low of 144 million, meaning there is a lot of risk, a lot of volatility, and also this does mean more potential reward in the market in terms of bigger upside potential. You can make this 10x much more easier than a $14 billion project, for example. So we can see, over the year, we did have a big peak, euphoria and thrill, March 2021. $3, and then we had another over at $3 as well. So we're in that sort of undervaluation phase at the moment, guys, and let's have a little look. So big thanks to the patrons as well. If you want to become a patron, price for coffee here, membership right here. You're going to get a free ebook which will help transform your journey. You're going to get also one-on-one messaging, access to giveaways, and much more to come. So make sure you do those things if you want to support the channel. Today we got STORJ, and well, actually, I think it looks really nice. If you look at the daily time frame, you can see we had these two blips of oversold here in January 19 and 23 February, just like we had over here in May 2021 and June 2021, where we created this nice double top position. And after that happened, we got a nice impulse to the upside, and looks like we get another double bottom position here, and we could be preparing for that impulse. We did get a huge impulse just yesterday, to be honest, a nice influx of volume, but we got rejected over here at this $1.27 resistance. So as you know, very volatile project, but we got this big double bottom here ready to play out, and we're pretty much gonna need to retest this neckline again at $1.10. So if we can retest this neckline here once again at $1.10, we can potentially see continuation to the upside here, because a double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern. It means we've seen a downtrend activity, and then when we see the double bottom, it means we can potentially reverse this into an uptrend, and that's what's very exciting right now for this particular project. So STORJ, yeah, really low price, really low. And I suppose it also looks like when you zoom out a little bit, you can just see these highs that are getting lower and lower, and these lows that are also getting lower and lower. But when we use our Fibonacci retracement tool, which you will see in a second, we take the original impulse from prior to the bull market, take it to the all-time high, and you can see this 0.786 region, so anywhere between, I would say, the $1 and the 0.75 level. These are really nice levels to dollar cost average in, because the downside potential is minimized and the upside potential is back, because you're buying in the capitulation, you're buying the fearful scenario, when most of the people are not thinking about buying, they're already thinking about selling. But if you bought at the top over here, why would you not buy down here? That's what I always ask myself. If it doesn't feel right, it's probably because it is right, and it's just your emotions taking over and invalidating your your logic, I suppose. That's what I always think. So we're back above the 20-day moving average, which is important. You can see here we're just trading at $1.01, and if we can keep momentum to the upside, we should at least target $1.30 and $1.10 over the next few days. Another huge area of resistance will be this $1.68 here. So we're still underneath the bull market support band, which is quite important that we do retest soon. I reckon if we get to $1.30, it might mean retesting that bull market support band for STORJ. So STORJ does look very, very good. Let's get some long-term price targets. So we can use our fib extension, come down to this low over here, and this will give us price targets for the next bull run. The bull run that's going to be hopefully taking us to price discovery. Well, it goes without saying, we've got massive resistance here where this Fibonacci 0.786 extension is. So sort of this $3 range, which also kind of joins up with our trend line on the resistance side of thing on the macro scale. And if we were to break through this $3 mark, we'd be in price discovery, which means we would probably be sailing our way up to about $4.80 before potentially even reaching the golden fib target at $5.90. And yeah, just as simple as that, guys. That is all you need to do, is use your fib extension tool, because we can show you why these work. If we go here, now this is August 2020, so it's not really the same, but you can see we still went above the 4.236 Fibonacci over here on the extension. Now you have to assume diminishing returns per cycle, always do that, but we still hit the target. And even here, you can see again, we just come above that 0.786. So extremely good tool. STORJ looks very undervalued. Make sure you do your own research. It's not financial advice. And we're gonna follow up this one in a few days and see what happens with the price. I think we're gonna at least retest the $1.30 mark. This is a good undervaluation reaccumulation zone anywhere in this rectangle right here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, and also guys, check out this little Telegram channel right here. I'll leave it down in the description below, because they have some awesome trading signals, which I also just had a bit of fun with my fund money portfolio, and they do actually kind of work quite well. So yeah, consider that. Consider becoming a patron, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.